A Skyline Digital Creation presentation.
The entire world is under lockdown stage now. As per the Nobel Prize winner in Chemistry 2013, Mr. Michael Levitt said that it is not months or years, normalcy in routine lives of people of world will be coming soon. Let us watch Mr. Levitt's Nobel Prize award-winning moments in Oslo.
Levitt, born in Pretoria, South Africa, 66 years old, from Stanford University School of Medicine. They all receive a medal, a diploma, and friends in the audience, and from the Swedish royal family. Oh, they seem to have some fans.
He says we are going to be fine. Overreaction to the issue of corona will give further push to the problems like unemployment, distress, suicides and slow economies. After studying the data of 78 countries, he came to conclusion that soon, the situation will be alright. People of China have already lifted all the curbs on movement of people and brought the earlier position in Wuhan and other parts of the country. Maybe there are deaths and new positive cases, they take it as a routine and are going ahead with their normal activities. People will get habituated to the social distancing, and it is so effective that virtually no population immunity is built. Further, it will give a breathing time to people working on this issue. Poland will reopen parks and markets from Monday, while children in Norway will return to kindergarten, and open-air markets in the Czech Republic will be permitted to trade, as part of a 6-week strategy to gradually lift restrictions. Spain's COVID-19 death toll rose by 410 on Sunday. This is the lowest daily increase since the 22nd of March, so soon it will also lift the lockdown. Australia has lifted lockouts and beaches are open to people. Likewise, Germany, Czech Republic, Sweden and Norway started their industrial activities as usual and shops are opened. Slowly it will become a routine. While thinking and dealing with corona cases, the other European countries, Belgium, Bulgaria and Israel, are recovering from the corona effect and learned living along with it. Iran started opening up of its national highways. Americans have come out onto the streets, protesting against curbs on their movements and lockdown concept. President Trump is supporting the lifting of lockdown. Officials of England and France are saying that, although the virus appeared under control there, the country's strict lockdown would continue, for at least another 3 weeks, to arrest or slow down further spread of virus. South Korea reported only 8 new coronavirus cases on Sunday, and said it would loosen some of its lockdown restrictions on the 22nd of April 2020. Most of the European countries have not reported any new positive cases, so, within few months, because of improved medical treatments, people may take it as the normal course, just like any other ailments. Let us watch how world will react on this issue of coronavirus. It's been 100 days since the crisis has started. Let us hope the problem will come to an end and give a new hope to mankind.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Skyline Digital Creations.